What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the wall shelf safe and how to use it. So what we need to do is go to the Blue Balls boutique, and there we will find the guy behind the desk, Herbert. So talk to Herbert, and once you have clicked on I do like to purchase something, then you will open this menu. And here you will find very useful things like the wall mounted shelf and of course the safe. You got also some modern wall lamps, and these are also very useful because you can place them on the wall so it won't take any space on the ground. So what you need to do is add them to your cart, and after that we can purchase them. Once you have purchased them, we can head over to our location and there we can try them out. So what we will do, we will go to the barn and I will show you guys how to place them on the wall and how to use them. So what you need to do for the wall shelf is place them on a good place so they won't be behind a rack. Because if you place them behind a rack, it is possible you are not able to take stuff from the wall shelf. So we will place them above the racks and then you are good to go. So you can place them anywhere except on the windows, so you can place them next to them. And also the safe is very useful because the safe got the same amount of storage as a large rack. So if you open the safe, you will see the 8 spots the same as on the rack. But the rack is a 2x4 and this is a 2x2 dimension. So it is very useful if you want to locate your stuff in a safe and create some more room to play with. Now, the lamps are also very useful because if you would like to use some extra light in your stash or in your location, then you can place them on the wall and you can place them anywhere where you want, and by pressing E on your keyboard you will turn them on. And as you can see, it will give a lot of light in your safe house. So that is basically how you buy the wall shelf safe and wall lamps and use them. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!